Hi guys, Dave FX Hunter here with my Forex market preview for the following weeks, which will continue on the 29th January, which is the last week of the January. And so let's start with the dollar index as usually. As we see, the last month was crazy on the dollar index. They break through the 3 years low, as I was speaking about it like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and trend is really strong on the daily. They even don't bother to make some proper corrections, so I believe this strong downtrend can continue on all time frames, but there could come some corrections. So I'm not trading. I'm not buying dollar any other pairs, and I'm just waiting for some corrections to enter the longs. For example, here on the Australian dollar, this is overextended trends on the weekly, on the daily, as well on the monthly. We can see that we break up this consolidation phase. We retest it, create a new demand zone, and there is nothing what could stop this uptrend. So I'm not gonna go short. I will be waiting for some corrections to get longs. Something similar Something similar is happening on the Euro USD as well. Nice uptrend with the correction, so it's formation 1 to 3. Now the euro is arriving to this supply zone where it has some problems to break it higher, but I believe there could be some correction right now. There could be some correction to this monthly demand zone. So there is some potential to take shorts, but it's too early to enter the shorts against this trend. So I will wait for some more confirmations, as for example to breaking this 4-hour trend line, then I want to see some engulfing candles and a potential new supply zone created. Then I will be looking for the short-term shorts and then longs, obviously. Similar situation on the GBP as well, arriving to the strong supply zone. It's already breaking lower on the 4 hours time frame, so there could be possibilities to take some short-term shorts, but in the long term it's only longs on the long term. But it's too early, it's too late. Actually, it's too late. It's not so clever to buy on these highs. So now I'll be looking shorts. New Zealand Kiwi USD. So monthly is uptrend with some nice engulfing candle, but arriving as well to this supply zone. On the weekly, the trend is overextended, so it's late to take a longs, and so I will be looking for the shorts. For example, as I can see here on the 4-hour time frame, so there will be possibility to take a short, but I want to see more confirmation. I want to see the first break here lower, then I will be waiting for the correction and taking the shorts. This is very dangerous now, to taking the shorts to trade against the dollar or to buy the dollar, but I think these trades could happen. So this is the USD JPY. Monthly downtrend, weekly downtrend, daily downtrend, 4 hours downtrend. So I'm looking just for the shorts on the retracement to the daily supply zones. So let's see how it will behave now on this weekly supply zone. We actually already have a trade from this zone, from the 114, and we're holding over 450 pips. And now I'm just expecting to break this demand zone. Then I will be waiting for the retracement and put another short, and I will be shorting this pair to the around 104 or 3 areas, something like that. So on the shorts. Dollar CAD. monthly downtrend. Weekly is downtrend as well, confirming with the creating lower lows. So on the daily, I will be looking for the shorts, because I believe they will make again this lowest low, this one. So just the shorts on the USD CAD on the retracement. Silver, weekly uptrend, monthly consolidation, daily uptrend, but this supply zone must be eliminated. So what I actually have already long, but what I will be looking for when this zone is broken, then I will be looking to take a long here. Gold, it's very similar, but the gold is I wanna be long in the gold. I was actually longing the gold. I was taking long here couple weeks ago, 2 months ago, something on the end of the year. They took me lower, they took my stop loss, and then the market rally up without me. Okay, but it sometimes happens. So now what's actually happening on the gold on the monthly? It's uptrend. On the weekly, it's uptrend, but it's overextended. So not too clever to take longs now. So what I will be waiting for some corrections, and will be taking the longs on the daily. Probably somewhere around the 1.1316 would be nice area to take a longs. I wish they would come back down to this weekly demand zone where I could take long, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I don't think they will come back here. So I will be entering the higher one, and I believe it could come to the 1600 in this year. It could come to the 1600. This is oil. I actually don't trade commodities, oil, or some cacao or something similar, but as well as everybody knows, all commodities are related with the dollar, and as we can see, the dollar is really weakening now, and the oil just break the high, this high from the year 2015. So I believe there is still a lot of space to go higher and this move can happen in this year. Obviously, I will not be holding the trade long like this one, but what I want to do, I want to wait till on the weekly chart we drop lower, and there I will take a long to the 78, which is in summer here on the monthly in the halfway to the up, and then I will just close the part of the position, and I will hold the rest of the position, so it could possibly go up here. Yeah, so this is like more like an investment trade. So now the crosses. The Aussie CAD, we have a monthly broken trend line, nice bullish impulse up. Then we have on the weekly confirmed uptrend, on the daily as well the uptrend. We are already in the trade on this retracement, and I will be looking to add another trade on the weekly demand zone. So 4 hours uptrend as well. So this is only up. Aussie New Zealand dollar. This is a very difficult chart. What to do now? To decide what to do now. So we have a monthly uptrend, but now in the consolidation phase. So weekly we have a downtrend, broken trend line. This looks more like consolidation. So for potential upwards move, and if we look a little bit lower, so if we don't have a clear scenario on the weekly, on the monthly and the weekly, we must go lower. So what's happening here on the daily, we can see consolidation phase, and so what I want to see as I want to see the break of this area for the continuation up. So first I want to see the break and then retest, and then I will be entering the trade. So now I wait. I don't do nothing. CAD yen is weekly is uptrend, but coming to this support zone where they have a problem to break higher. And as well on the weekly, I already can see that they broke the trend line, they retested the supply zone. So what I will be looking for, I want to see on the weekly the break of this demand zone. If this demand zone will be broken, I will be looking for the short. On the daily, we are in the downtrend, but as I said already here on the weekly, this demand zone must be broken. If it is broken, we continue down. If it's not, and this demand zone will stay, then I'll go long. Aussie Japanese yen. We have a uptrend on the monthly. We have a downtrend on the weekly. But but the trend line is broken and coming to the supply zone, which looks like it could hold, because we have 4 times tried to broke it, but it didn't work. And on the daily, it's already broken trend line, retested. So I will be looking for the short-term shorts now in the moment, and just to the daily demand zones. If the zones will hold, then I will be taking the longs, but just into the monthly supply. Euro Aussie, uptrend monthly, uptrend weekly, uptrend daily. So now I want to see, I will possibly take longs on this retest of this demand zone. I already actually have a trade. I actually already have a long, so I will continue in it. Euro CAD monthly uptrend, but it's in the zone where we had you can see this strong rejection. So it depends what's gonna happen now. On the weekly and daily we have an uptrend. So I believe this zone could be broken, but I think the market will go first a bit lower to accumulate more power before it's going more up. So on the 4 hours it could be possible to take shorts, but not yet. Euro GBP, very unclear chart. On the monthly we have uptrend, but with a strong engulfing candle, another strong engulfing candle. On the weekly we can see three engulfing candles, but it's more in the ranging phase, but still creating lower lows. I won't see the break of this demand zone and continuation of the market down. This is the same on the daily. The chart is not clear, so I don't take any trade here now. Euro JPY, overextended trends on the weekly, and monthly. On the daily there is more ranging, and now now there is a 2 scenarios. Market could go down or up, obviously, as always, but if I want to go up, if I want to take a trade up, I want to see first the break of this supply zone. If it is broken, then we can be looking for the long. If not, I want to see some bullish bearish volume to entering the market for the continuation of this short trade. So I need confirmation now. I don't take any trade at the moment. Euro New Zealand dollar, this chart is bit tricky now, because on the monthly we have a bullish engulfing and then bearish engulfing candle, and then now we have this doji candle, which is, we don't know if it is there's big indecision in this moment. On the weekly, already broken trend line, market is a bit arranging. On the daily, we have created the new uptrend, but we must break this area to confirm the uptrend, and then I will be looking for the long. So Euro New Zealand, Euro Kiwi, nothing. GBP Aussie, so monthly uptrend but not strong one, and there is a engulfing candle coming in the game, so there is a potential to go down back to this demand zone, which is actually already happening on the weekly. We can see as well this engulfing candle, broken trend line, retest of the supply zone. On the daily, the market is a bit unclear, but I will wait the market go a bit higher on the 4 hours, and then I will take this short trade where is it possible to take out some 400 pips. GBP CAD, monthly we have a consolidating phase, but it seems like a demand zone is in the control, and we have now here this nice engulfing candle, which is confirming this strong move up. On the weekly, we have as well nice uptrend, but we have a rejection on this supply zone. So I will not be looking for the longs now, because on the 4 hours I already see that this trend line is broken. So I wait if the market will break a little bit lower, and then I will be looking for the short. GBP Japanese yen. Now actually the market is in the uptrend on the monthly and weekly, but we are in the monthly strong support. So on the daily it's already broken down trend line, created new supply zone, and it could be possible for this nice short trade, which is already which we have confirmed with this engulfing candle on the 4 hours. So I will be waiting for the retracement, and then I will take short. GBP New Zealand dollar, monthly uptrend but strong engulfing, bearish engulfing as well. It happened on the weekly obviously, and we have the retest of the supply zone. So there is potential for the short trend, short trade, but I don't see it clear too much on the daily and on the 4 hours, so I need more confirmation, as these trend lines should be broken and this zone should be broken. Then I will be thinking to take this trade, but for the moment scenario is not clear for me. New Zealand Canadian dollar. So we have a monthly demand zone in the control, but obviously this is the downtrend. On the weekly we have already uptrend created, so I will be waiting for the retracement to take a long. On the daily, we're breaking the trend line. On the 4 hours, trend line is already broken with this strong bearish engulfing candle and consolidating. So if we go higher, I will be looking for the shorts. On this 4 hours chart, which should take me down here, and as you can see, it's in the confluence with this weekly demand zone. This is high potential that this trade could happen. Overall, even it is against the trend, not against the biggest one, but against the higher trend. Kiwi Japanese yen is week monthly uptrend with the but it's in the supply zone, and they have a problem to break it. So I don't take a longs with the highest time frame trend. As well, I will not on the weekly we can see the bearish engulfing candle, so there is some signs of bearishness, so then the market could come down, which is actually already happening on the, we can see on the daily. that the market is going now. So what I want to see here, I want to see break of this zone. If it is broken, I will be looking for the retracement and the short to this daily demand zone. So this is all majors and cross pairs I'm looking for now, and don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel. Don't forget to visit my website or subscribe to my Telegram channel in the links below the video. And this is all for me. Enjoy the rest of the Sunday. Bye bye.